Before the fog lifts and the forests awaken, there's a hush in Washington that calls to the curious. You don't just see this place, you feel it. A slow breath of pine-scented air, the pulse of rain on moss, the distant cry of an eagle echoing across silent waters. Here, every journey begins with a sense of wonder. Whether you're a lifelong local or a first-time traveler, Washington has a way of unfolding its magic softly, one moment at a time. So come with us. Let's discover the quiet magnetism that makes the Evergreen state unforgettable. Washington State. It's one of those places that grabs you quietly and then refuses to let go. Towering evergreens, snow-capped mountains, fog rolling across glassy waters. It's rugged and refined, wild and welcoming, all at once. This is Bill and Priscila Parke, and on this journey through Washington, we will take you through some of our adventures. Come along with us. Experience boats crossing Puget Sound with snow-capped mountains in background and seagulls flying alongside. Our trip begins in Seattle. Big city energy wrapped in evergreen calm. From the top of the Space Needle, the whole Northwest unfolds before you. But down at street level, it's full of flavor, like fresh salmon at Pike Place Market, a local roast from the first Starbucks, or blown glass wonders at Chihuly Garden. Just a couple hours from the city, Mount Rainier comes into view. You don't just see it, you feel it. Hiking through Paradise or Sunrise, you realize this place isn't just a mountain, it's a monument. It humbles you in the best way. Out on the Olympic Peninsula, nature shows off. Rainforest, mountains, ocean, all in one park. We wandered the moss-covered paths of the whole rainforest, trees older than our great-grandparents. Then up at Hurricane Ridge, it's snow-capped peaks and deer walking past like they own the trail. And finally the Pacific, the wild pounding surf of Rialto Beach. That's Washington for you. Every step a shift in scenery. If you want peace and space, head to the North Cascades. Fewer crowds, sharper peaks, and colors that don't seem real. Diablo Lake. Well, just look at that blue. This is one of those places where time slows down. Just you, the trail, and the hum of the wind. We caught a ferry out to the San Juan Islands, where the pace changes. It's island time. Orcas playing offshore, bald eagles perched on driftwood, and the simple joy of a walk through Friday Harbor. Orcas Island stole our hearts. You can hike up Mount Constitution and the views stretch forever. Deep in the Cascades is Leavenworth, a little piece of Bavaria tucked in the mountains. It's festive, it's charming, and it knows how to celebrate every season. Come for the schnitzel, stay for the mountain views. Eastern Washington, different vibes, sunnier, warmer, and home to Walla Walla, one of the best little wine towns in America. Good wine, better people. And fields that go on forever. Mount St. Helens isn't just a volcano, it's a reminder of what nature can do, of how life rebuilds. Standing at the crater edge, you're looking into the past and into resilience. Every road in Washington leads to something beautiful. From alpine passes to coastal byways, it's a state made for explorers. It's where the land tells stories, and we're just lucky enough to listen. If you've enjoyed this ride through Washington, we'd love for you to subscribe to the channel. We're just two travelers chasing soft adventure in big-hearted places. Thanks for joining us. Please return for more of our adventures.